welcome back. Today I was going to see how to put a kill switch. So we need a tape filer, wire of 4 meters or 5 meters, and we need a switch for it. So let's go start. So this is the switch. I have already put the switch because I could not make a video. I had it to check it if it works or not. So let's go start. You know how to remove the hood. You have to remove this, and this black hood. So let's go start. As I have removed the hood, so you can see the switch here, switch is wire, and you need 3 wires totally. I have this wires, electrical wire. You can go to hardware shops and ask them for electric wire. They'll give you. So let's go put it on. For putting it, you have to remove this and this grills, this one and this one. So let's go. Let's go start. See these 3 wires. So you can have to put the 3 wires. As I show you, you can put. For me, only 1 wire is gone, so I'm going to change only 1 wire. You can put all the 3 wires. So let's go start. This is the 1 wire and the 2 wires. So now we have to open the hood. So let's go start. Open the hood. So as you open the hood, you have 3 screws, 1, 2 and 3. So let's go remove it. So now for putting the wire, you can just take a bundle and put it inside, as I am doing it. And you have to leave some of the amount of wire outside. So you have put it inside. Come this side, and you can come this side and put your hand inside this and pull out the wire. See, you can get the wire here. So now we have got the wire. You have to put it inside from the inside. You have to get it out. Otherwise, it will be a big problem if you bring it from out. So you have to bring it. As I told you, the 3 wires, right? One of the wire will go to the neutral of the ignition coil. You can see this is the ignition coil. This one is the ignition coil, and this goes the neutral grounding wire. So now the other 2 wires So you can choose which wire you want to put it. I'll choose a red wire for the main ignition switch, which is here. I'll show you right. This one. This is the ignition switch. And remove it. It's come out. Now you can take the red wire. So now I have pierced the red and black wires rubbers. So I'll take the red, put it in this male coil neatly. So as you see, I have put this, and the black one goes to the main ignition coil. So now I have this pin. It's called male and female pin. You can go and ask in any automobile shops. You can see this. So let's go put it. So as you see, I have put the wire inside this. So let's go put it. And yeah, you have to put the black insulation tape because it should not touch to any other wires and get short circuit. So now you can see this. I have put this successfully. Now let's go tape this up. Yeah, it's successfully done. Now let's go and to the switch. Wrap it up. I have got this wire holders here and put it to that so it will be safe in a place. So I showed you the switch, but I didn't tell you how to put it right. So now you can take the measurement of the switch and you can heat any sharp item like knife or something. You can melt it and then take a nail filer and file it over it. As you get a correct shape, then you can fit the switch in it. So now let's go put the wires connection. And you get this nail filer in a hardware shop. If I get a link, I'll put it in a description. So there's the switch. And there's the wiring coil. You can go and ask in any automobile shop. They'll give you, or I'll put a link in the description. And these are the three wires. This is a neutral wire. As you can keep it as 1, 2, 3 wires. 3. So neutral goes to the third one. The red one, which is connected to the ignition wire, will go to the second one, and the black one, which is connected to the ignition coil, will go to the first one. So now let's go start the engine. So now it's an off switch. It's not starting. Now I'll on the switch and see. And you can hear the sound. Now I'm going to off the switch. Now I'm going to start. It's not going to start. I'll on the switch. It's starting. And this is the end, guys, and do smash that like button and do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching, and bye bye.